Looking for a London apartment with true luxury? Most city rentals offer basic views and standard amenities. Regular apartments, busy streets, no waterfront relaxation. Often cramped, lacking outdoor spaces for unwinding. Fitness centers? Usually small, crowded, or outdated. Beach access? Rarely available in London rentals. Now compare with XL London Majestic apartment. Scene: modern balcony, glass railing, stunning lake views. Private outdoor seating for stylish relaxation. Exclusive access to your own private beach area. Enjoy peaceful waterfront moments, away from city noise. Scene: minimalist spiral staircase, maximizing space and elegance. Open plan living, floor-to-ceiling windows, panoramic views. Premium furnishings for a truly upscale experience. Scene: modern fitness center, spacious and fully equipped. Stay active with high-end gym facilities on site. Scene: lush garden areas for relaxation and fresh air. Perfect for families, travelers, and business professionals. Bedroom, ensuite design, private bathroom for comfort. Twin beds with minimalist style, ideal for guests. Emerald Apartments, UK, modern, stylish, premium amenities. Regular rentals, limited privacy, outdated interiors. XL London Majestic, privacy, luxury, and modern design. Visual: compare standard apartment versus majestic waterfront living. Which would you choose for your next London stay? XL London Majestic offers more than just a place to sleep. Scenic lake views, exclusive beach, fitness, and garden. Upgrade your stay. Choose comfort, style, and relaxation. Book XL London Majestic apartment now for $225. Experience London's most majestic waterfront living today.